Hi dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to hide empty godowns and negative quantity godowns from stock item selection list in sales voucher. I will show you in default tally godown list. So here when we are going to make the sales entry, then here you can see select the party. This is all normal way. Then you select your item. These are the 4 items in this tally. Select the item. Then here you can see location selection area. Once you press the space, all the location will list. Here you can see location 1, 2, 3, 4, all the location is there. But in this location only, two location have the stock. That means location 1 and 2. Using this customization, we can remove this location 3 and 4. I will show you how to remove this one. In main user login, there is a no removal. Only the sub user can hide these empty locations. So I'm going to load the TCP file. I have the TCP. This is the TCP file. If you need this TCP, you can download this TCP from our online shop. Shop description I already put in my video description. So I'm going to load this TCP, copy this TCP location path, right click, copy. Then I'm going to load this module. Go to help, TDL and add-on, TDL, manage local TDL. Then select yes. Here you can paste that location, enter and save. Now the TCP was loaded. So we can check the status. Go to voucher, ABC company, sales. Here I'm selecting the item. So in this screen also you can see all the Godown because this is a main admin user. I'm going to log out from this admin and log into user wise. Then we can check the status. Go to company, change user. So now I'm logged with user level. So again we can check. Go to voucher, customer, select. Here select the item. Now we can check only two locations showing because inactive and negative location we removed from this list using that customization. So I am going to select this location and put the figure, amount. Then next item I'm selecting here. Selected this next item. Then here in this is the location 4 and 3. Other locations are empty. That's why the location removed from this list. Select this one. Then another item. In this item, there is no stock. That means there is no stock in the location. That's why our location is showing empty. Okay. So I'm going to end of list and save this entry. In this way, we can hide negative and zero quantity Godown from that item selection list. So when you are going to make the purchase entry, this TDL will not affect. We can see all the Godown shows in purchase. We can see all the locations showing in purchase. So this only applicable in sales voucher.